Everyone knows the new style, new trend, but don't know the color combination. Hello friends, welcome to Style Sunday. Okay, so today I'm going to show you what to style about pants. Like obviously you must have seen these pants. Like this is a pant with boxes on it. It has a black colored boxes, and I hope you must have seen, definitely you must have seen, because these are in nowadays since a very long time. And the problem is that people are not buying because what to wear about this, it's really very difficult. Like this is a very off combination, like this is not very something which we wear regularly. This is a light blue. We get a lot of colors of this pants, like maybe pink color, brown color, olive green color, and a lot of, I have taken this sky blue because I liked it a lot. Okay, so what to wear about this? This is a elastic pant. From front it is this way, and it is like a grip. So in my last video, as I have said, that always wear something tight on the upper body if your bottoms are loose, and pants are loose, they are not that tight as your jeans, so you have to wear something tight. And obviously these are pants with black stripes or black boxes, so black t-shirt will always look amazing, or black tee above this. You can try this. I'll show you the video of that. But the other combination which will go about this blue is this white. I have this white t-shirt. I have this white t-shirt. I wear above this blue pants. It really looks amazing. If you have seen my Karjat vlog, I have worn this combination. It looked really amazing. I got a lot of compliments on that day. And white, you know what, white, why white? Because if you're wearing light blue pants, and light blue is a pleasant color which gives a good effect on your eyes for the people who are seeing you, and white is also a light color, something really light on your eyes, so light combination sometimes looks really amazing. So I like blue pant, light blue, since it is light blue, so light blue pant and white t-shirt, it looks amazing. So I'll show you video of that combination. I have paired that with cap, I had a white cap with black stripes, and it looked amazing. So I have paired that. You can see the video of that. So the tips for wearing this pants, so always wear this pants. It's really amazing, and it gives, sometimes what happens that you want to be comfortable and you want to be loose and really free from all those stuffs, clothes and all those things, but you can't wear shorts if you're going with family and all those stuff. So wear this. These are very comfortable, and it is in trend now, so you can wear this. Second thing, and if you don't have your belly fat or your belly is not bulging out, so you can, in the t-shirts you are wearing this, it looks amazing. I have always worn with t-shirt in, and it gives a very good effect. If you have a little bulge from your belly, so it's okay, you can wear from above like a high waist pant, so it will cover your bulge and it will make you look slim. And the other thing is, it's okay if you have a belly fat and all those things, it's okay, because every girl has. So you don't in it and wear above this pants. It really gives an amazing look, and if you don't have this pants, go and buy it. It's in nowadays. And that's it for today. I hope you like my video. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. Do comment below what other combinations you would love to see. I would love to make those combinations, and maybe not next week or maybe, but I'll definitely show those combinations on my channel. And if you are new to my channel, please do subscribe and click on that bell icon so you'll get notified each time I upload a new video, as I upload my new videos on every Monday, Friday and Sunday. Bye bye.